Swyftx has been making waves in the Australian crypto scene, but does it really live up to the hype? With so many exchanges out there, it's tough to know which one to trust. Let's dive in and see if Swyftx is worth your time and money. Swyftx is an Australian cryptocurrency exchange that aims to provide a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. Right off the bat, the interface feels clean and intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering enough features for seasoned traders. One standout feature is their impressive range of supported coins, over 300 at last count, allowing users to diversify their portfolios easily. The platform also boasts features like recurring buys and a simple mobile app, which can be appealing for those looking to invest on the go. However, there are some areas where clarity is lacking. For instance, while they mention low fees, specifics on trading fees and withdrawal costs can feel a bit buried and might leave some users scratching their heads. Overall, Swyftx seems tailored for the Australian market, but potential users should be aware of some vague details that could impact their trading experience. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Swyftx offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, which is great for variety. The user interface is straightforward, making it easy for newcomers to jump right in. Plus, the recurring buy feature can help with dollar cost averaging. On the flip side, some users might find the lack of detail fee transparency frustrating. While they advertise low fees, the specifics aren't always clear, which could lead to unexpected costs. Additionally, customer support has received mixed reviews. Some users report delays in response times, which can be concerning when dealing with financial transactions. So, while Swyftx has strengths, it's important to weigh these potential drawbacks before diving in. In conclusion, Swyftx is a solid choice for those looking to trade cryptocurrencies in Australia, especially if you're just starting out. However, if you're after a platform with crystal clear fee structures and rapid customer support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but do your homework first.